52 is the J1 of Charles Quinton has hooked up the Chevrolet out of Salem to the Power Chevrolet sled.
Chevy that doesn't run, they'll pay $1,000 for
it. I could see that.
I'm just filming it all.
No, that's fine. I'm getting out of your way, so.
Oh, no, that's all right.
You don't have my head stuck in there.
I was trying to get recording to when he announces his name. Oh.
Kind of makes you wonder when you look down there at the J1 entry of Charles Quinton why he has a helmet on. Just an observation.
Come on. Come on.
87 Chevy.
Oh, come on.
Third year pulling at Sublimity for the 87 Silverado of Sean Pries. And Sean getting end up with a distance of
85.38.
85.36 feet. 85.3.
Yeah. Woo!
Child's Play that's got a girl driving this year. I don't think